Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom. How are you all? Okay. We studied tens and ones, ascending and descending order, place value of two-digit numbers, and the number 100. Did you understand these topics? Okay. Can you tell me a three-digit number other than 100? Okay. Today we are going to learn about three-digit numbers. Let us start. We know the value of 10 tens is 100. Yesterday, we have studied about the value of 10 tens is equal to 100. Children, this large square represents 10 tens. It contains 10 blocks. A block of 1 ten. That is, this large square contains 100 small squares. So, we can say that this large square represents 100. Children, if I add one small square with this large square, what will happen? Let us check. Now I add one small square with this large square. Here, this large square represents 10 tens. This small square represents 1. So, if we add these two numbers, that is 10 tens plus 1, we know the value of 10 tens is 100 and the value of 1 is equal to 1. So, 100 plus 1, we got 101. See children, in this number, we can see 3 digits 1, 0, 1. Children, I told you this large square represents 100. Then I am going to add one more large square with this square. That is like this. Tell me children, how many hundreds here? 1, 2. Here, 2 hundreds. That means if we join 100 and the other 100, we got 2 hundreds. Listen here, 100 plus 100, we got 2 hundreds. What is the value of 2 hundreds? It's 200. Is it clear? Children, we know that a two-digit number contains two places, tens and ones. But in the case of a three-digit number, we can see it contains three places or three digits. Let us see one example. In this number, you can see three digits. That means a three-digit number contains three places. Let us check. The three places are ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Let us see how to arrange the numbers in each places. In this number, the 6 comes under 1 space, 2 comes under 10 space and the 1 comes under 100 space. Is it clear? Let us see how to read a three-digit number. In this example, the numbers are 1 to 6. Is this a three-digit number? Yes. Then we will learn how to read this number. First, you read the 100 space digit. That is 100. Then you read the tens and ones digits together. That is 26. Then tell me children, how will you read this number? It's 126. 126. Is it clear? Children, we know a three-digit number contains three places: hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's see one example. Can you see this number? How you read this? It's 124. In this number, 4 comes under ones place, 2 comes under tens place, 1 comes under hundreds place. This capital H stands for hundreds, T for tens, and O for ones. In the next example, how do you read this number? 165. In this number, the number 5 comes under ones place, 6 comes under tens place, and 1 hundreds place. Children, next we are going to learn about how to show a three-digit numbers on the abacus. Let's see one example. Here I have written a three-digit number 124. We have to arrange this number on the abacus. In this abacus, you can see 3 spikes because a three-digit number contains 3 places. That's why I have drawn 3 spikes on this abacus. The first one, spike of ones, spike of tens, and spike of hundreds. Let's see how to arrange the number on this abacus. In this number, we can say that the number 4 comes under ones place, 2 comes under tens place, and 1 under hundreds place. So, on the spike of ones, we have to draw 4 beads. And on the spike of tens, we have to draw 2 beads. And last, on the spike of 100, we have to draw 1 beads. In this way, we can show any three-digit number on the abacus. Children, next we are going to learn about the place value of three-digit numbers. What is place value of numbers? The place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit on the basis of its position in the number. We have studied about the place value of two-digit number. Here, we are going to learn about place value of three-digit number. There are three places in a three-digit number, that is ones, tens, and hundreds. Let's see some examples. Here I have written 3 numbers. We have to find out the place value of the underlined digits. In the first example, the number 2 has underline. So we have to find out the place value of 2. Tell me children, what is the place value of 2? 2 comes under ones place. So we can write 2 ones. What is the value of 2 ones? It's 2. So the place value of 2 in 152 is 2. Next, 164. Here, which number is underlined? It's 6. So we have to find out the place value of 6. Here, 6 comes under tens place. So the place value of 6 is 6 tens. What is the value of 6 tens? It's 60. So the place value of 6 in 164 is 60. In the last example, we have to find out the place value of 1 in 189. In this number, the number 1 comes under hundreds place. So the place value of 1 in 189 is 100. That's equal to 100. So the place value of 1 in 189 is 100. Students, Today we studied about 3-digit numbers and its place value. Did you understand how to read a 3-digit number? Okay. Children, I attached the notes of lesson and a worksheet under this video. And you also have to open the textbook and try to do the exercise in it. Let me conclude today's session. Thank you.